guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing very well today. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a first impressions demo, review, and wear test on the new NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer. A few months back, NYX released their Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation, so they're extending their line and they came out with a concealer as well as a setting powder, I believe. But today I'm just going to be testing out the Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer for you guys, and I'm going to be providing any information that you guys need to know if you are kind of deciding, do I really need this concealer? Is it worth it? I know that I'm always on the hunt for a new, amazing, mind-blowing drugstore concealer and something that's not going to break the bank. So I'm going to be testing this out for you guys today. So if you're ready to learn about this concealer and see if it's really any good, keep on watching and we'll get to blending. On the NYX website, this concealer retails for $8.50. I did purchase mine from an Ulta location and I paid $8.49 for it. The concealer comes in 24 different shades. I decided to purchase the shade Alabaster. My location was actually a little bit low on shades, but I'm hoping Alabaster is going to work. We shall see. So if we take a look at the NYX website and read the description of the concealer, it says, play hide and sculpt with our new Can't Stop Won't Stop contour concealer. Available in 24 highly pigmented hues, this lightweight liquid won't transfer and has 3 major complexion musts covered. You can use our blendable matte formula to camouflage imperfections, brighten up your face, and contour those features to perfection. This creamy multitasker also delivers full coverage full coverage with a finish that lasts up for 24 hours. Pair our long-wearing concealer with its complementary Can't Stop Won't Stop full coverage foundation and powder foundation shades to put your best face forward. The packaging of the concealer is very nice. It actually resembles the HD Photogenic concealer from NYX as well, but it just has a basic plastic tube, and when you open it up, it has a classic slanted doe foot applicator. So let's go ahead and get right into application. I'm super excited. I'm feeling a little out of sorts, and I literally just have my primer and foundation on and nothing else. Eyes and eyebrows are done. I just have no lip, contour, highlight, powder, anything. So I'm ready to get some concealer on. We're gonna go ahead and get into application. So let's do this thing. I'm just going to apply a normal amount of concealer, like a normal amount that I normally would. And we're gonna take it on the center of the face. Cool, that's applied. We're gonna go in and blend out the concealer with our beauty blender. Okay, so we have that blended out. Let's take a close-up. I think it definitely gave me awesome full coverage. I really, really like it. I do feel like I need a tad bit more product on the cheek area because I can see some of my redness on my cheeks peeking through. So I'm gonna blend that out really quickly, but besides that, the coverage is beautiful. Definitely got full coverage with the amount that I applied, so definitely has full coverage and tends to have a matte finish on the under eye area. I'm curious to see if this is gonna suck out all the life on my under eye area. I tend to have dry skin, not super dry under eyes though, but I'm definitely liking this. I love a bright under eye highlight, not experiencing any cakiness. The formula feels really nice and light, so I'm liking it so far. So it is 12:30 right now. We're gonna go ahead and start the wear test. I'm going to try to wear this as long as I can. I do have work today, so we're gonna see how that holds up. But I'm going to go ahead and finish off the rest of my makeup, do my thing throughout the day, get whatever done that I need to get done, and I will give you guys an update throughout the day, and we'll see how this wears, you know? We'll see if it even lasts. So I guess I will see you guys later on throughout the day. Peace. Hey guys, so it is 9:19 at night. I have had a good day of work, so I wanted to come back and give you guys my final thoughts and a quick update on how the concealer is doing. It has held up very, very well. It has not moved. It hasn't transferred one bit. it is performing very, very well, and I'm super impressed. I did set it with my Coty Airspun powder and baked for about 1.5 minutes, but it has not creased whatsoever. It has a beautiful matte finish, but it did not suck out the life of my under eyes, which is super nice, and I can really appreciate because I do have dry skin like I mentioned earlier in the video. But I'm very impressed. The concealer didn't move around, it stayed. It's still providing that bright under eye highlight and making me look like I'm not super tired right now. So I'm definitely going to give this concealer a thumbs up. I think it performed very well and I love it, and especially for the price, it's just really good. I think that you guys need to try it out. I mean, for $8.50, what can you really lose? It's worth trying out. I think it's a great concealer, and especially for the drugstore, especially for the price, NYX really stepped it up and did an amazing job with this concealer. So that is going to conclude my first impressions, demo, review, everything on the new NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure that you subscribe before you head out so you don't miss out on any of the future uploads that I will be making here on my channel. You guys have a fantastic rest of your day and a great rest of your week. Jesus loves you so very much, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.